Innovative strategies for PVC soft rubber in the Indian market. In 2025, India emerges as a key player in the global manufacturing landscape. The demand for PVC soft rubber products is expected to soar in 2025. Known for its flexibility, durability, and versatility, PVC soft rubber finds extensive use in various sectors such as shoes and clothing, luggage, auto parts, and other industries. To cater to this growing demand, businesses in India must adopt innovative strategies to stay competitive and tap into new opportunities. Below are some of the key strategies expected to shape PVC soft rubber market in India in 2025. 1. Focus on sustainable production. With growing environmental concerns, sustainability will become a top priority for manufacturers of PVC soft rubber. In 2025, businesses will likely shift toward eco-friendly production processes, such as utilizing recycled PVC materials and reducing carbon emissions during production. Manufacturers may also explore biodegradable alternatives to PVC, which can enhance their appeal in markets that prioritize sustainability. 2. Technological integration. The integration of advanced technologies such as 3D printing and automation will be a game changer in the PVC soft rubber industry. By leveraging these technologies, companies can streamline their manufacturing processes, reduce costs, and offer highly customized products. 3D printing, in particular, will allow manufacturers to create intricate and detailed designs in PVC soft rubber with minimal waste and faster turnaround times. 3. Expanding product range and applications. As demand increases, PVC soft rubber manufacturers will diversify their product offerings to cater to a wide range of industries. In the automotive sector, for example, demand for PVC soft rubber components like seals, gaskets, and mats will rise. Similarly, in the healthcare sector, there will be growing demand for PVC soft rubber for medical devices and protective wearables. Innovating within these sectors will open up new revenue streams and expand market reach. 4. Strategic partnerships and collaborations. Collaborating with international suppliers, technology providers, and research institutions will allow Indian PVC soft rubber manufacturers to access new resources and technologies. By forming strategic partnerships, companies can improve their product quality, innovate faster, and penetrate global markets more effectively. 5. Consumer-centric approach. In 2025, PVC soft rubber companies will focus on creating consumer-centric products, offering solutions that meet the specific needs of individual industries, such as customized colors, textures, and thicknesses, will be key to gaining market share. Additionally, increasing awareness of the benefits of PVC soft rubber through targeted marketing campaigns will help drive consumer demand.